Do you want to know how to use charcoal stove for brooding? Don't worry, in this video I'll be sharing with you how to use a charcoal stove from my own experience. I've been using it for a while now, and it's very economical and it works perfectly for me. I'm choosing Ryan. Welcome back to my channel. In using a charcoal stove, one of the main thing that you need to have in mind is one, before you bring the charcoal stove for them inside the brooder, make sure it's not smoking. And some people always stay inside the brooder and fan the charcoal. It's very bad. You need to bring it out, as in outside your brooder, outside the pen itself. Then bring it out and prepare the charcoal. Make sure none of the charcoals are smoking, no smoke at all. If there is any charcoal smoking, then it's either you heat it up to avoid, as in for it to stop smoking, or you just bring it out and throw it away. Then the next thing is if you are using all these metallic aluminium charcoal pots or charcoal stove, don't place them directly on the floor, even if you are using carton, newspaper, whatever, because in some cases the what's it called the charcoal pot itself might heat, as in heat very well, and it might ignite fire. I've seen somebody saying it took the grace of God that her, her farm didn't burn down because of the heat from the charcoal pots, because she placed it on the ground. Then another reason for not placing it on the floor is that your what's it called your chicks might run and touch the hot metal pot, so it's very bad. It might cause mortality. So I usually place them on top of block, as in all these cement and sand mixture, as in blocks, so that the day old chicks cannot buy. This time they cannot fly, so it will be not that high, as in let's say something like a 6 inches or below, so it's safe for them. Then another thing is don't place them on iron. Don't place them on iron, because if you place them on iron, it's the stand will still heat up, so it's very bad. And another thing is from time to time you need to come and check if all is okay, because in some cases the charcoal might, as in I don't know how to call it, might just fall off. Hot charcoal might fall off, and if you are not careful, and if you are not just careful, if you are not lucky, it might burn down the whole farm. So you need to be very careful. You need to come and check on your day old chick, most especially when brooding them. I've been using it. God has been faithful. For once, I haven't faced any casualty because of the fact that I'm using in charcoal. And just try to, if you know their age and the temperature they need, you need to reduce the amount of charcoal you put for them. Not when they don't need them much heat, then you will fill up the pot with charcoal. Is very bad. Just try to regulate the temperature using the amount of charcoal you put for them. And thank you. I believe this will be of a help to you, and I pray that God will see you through in your journey as a poultry farmer. Thank you.